Hi everyone, hope you're all doing well. I just got done filming my Ipsy, so now I'm jumping on here to show you what I got in my BoxyCharm for the month of March 2018. So BoxyCharm is $21 per month and you get over $100 value in this box. It is a fantastic deal. I strongly urge you guys to click on that link below and sign up with BoxyCharm. Right now, they don't have a wait list, and it is seriously my favorite box. So I'm currently only have 3 boxes coming to me anymore. So I've got BoxyCharm, I've got Ipsy, and then FabFitFun, and that's all the subscriptions I'm down to. I was kind of getting a surplus of product, and I wasn't really feeling joy opening them up. It was kind of like, I've got way too much stuff, but honestly, BoxyCharm is one that I always want to be subscribed to. The value is there, and they always send out super interesting products that I've never tried before, and I super enjoy it. So anyways, here we go. March 2018, it says vacation, super cute. And then on the back, it shows the products and their value that are in the box. And we got a coupon, if you guys want to write this down. This is for Butter London, 25% off on your next $50 purchase. So that's a great deal. And then let's just get in here and see. It already looks awesome, so I'm very excited. First thing is from Pretty Vulgar. It says make them blush. Hush Blush. So, ooh, oh, that's a beautiful neutral, guys. Beautiful. Feels super nice. I love that color. Love it. Oh my gosh, is that beautiful? Wow. Absolutely gorgeous. So I look forward to using this. This is a, let's see, a $26 value for this blush. Pretty Vulgar has been in BoxyCharm before. Their retail value price is on the high side in my opinion, but everything I've tried from Pretty Vulgar has been really good quality. So I do very much enjoy this brand. So I'm not sure if they have, you know, like coupon codes or special sale prices or anything like that, but it's good. It's a good brand. Next, we're gonna, let's see here. This is from, oh, Butter London. No wonder. This is the double-decker mascara. I'll show you guys the tube. I don't wanna open it because mascaras, they're only good for 6 months once they're opened, and I just opened up a Benefit Roller Lash right now, so I don't want to open it up. But this is it. It's a massive tube. I'm curious about the wand, I really am, but they do show a picture of the wand. I'm hoping that it's those natural bristles versus like the silicone bristles that kind of poke you in the eye. Very cool though. This is a $20 value. Very cool. And then this is from South Main Beauty. This is some under eye gels. Reduces puffiness, reduces dark circles, and moisturizes the eye area. So that's very cool. Let's see what. Okay, they're just like in little pouches. Just like this, and it looks like they're, oh, I see. They look like little Nike symbols sort of, and you put them under your eyes. Pretty cool. My under eyes always need help, so I'm happy to get this. I'm not always a fan of eye masks, but I definitely will give these a try. This is a $10 value. So South Main, I've never heard of that brand, so that's what I mean. That's what's so cool, is you find brands that you've never heard of and you get to try them. Now this is from the brand called Vintage. They have also been in BoxyCharm before. Again, I've always been happy with everything from this brand. I've gotten a couple of blushes, I think, and highlighters that I've used. Okay, I can't open them, but it looks like it's a brush set of 3. Let's see the value here. The value is $23.15. Let me open these. Oh my gosh, you guys, I'm so excited. These brushes look awesome. Totally awesome. I love it. So we've got this smaller like detail brush We've got an angled brush, which I always love using an angled brush on the outside here and then bringing in a darker color. And then we've got another like a lid brush. Super fun, super cool. They look nice quality. They feel really soft. Very, very excited to give these a try. Like I said, $23.15 is the retail value. Gosh, they're nice, really nice. Alrighty, and then the last thing, okay, it's another palette. This is from Pure, the brand Pure Cosmetics. I love Pure. Oh, how do I open this? Oh, it's got a seal here. This is good. Pure Cosmetics is cruelty-free, gluten-free, talc-free, and vegan-friendly. I've been getting into using talc-free eyeshadows because I'm hearing talc's not such a good thing for to be putting on your eyes, but that's, I guess, up for interpretation. Okay, here we go. This looks like they must have curated with BoxyCharm. Oh, is there one on the, there's one on the other side as well. Man, this thing is sealed shut. Oh my goodness, you guys. Wait till you see this. Look how beautiful. You guys, don't wait. If you guys want to get in on this box, click that link below and sign yourself up. It's $21 a month. These colors are gorgeous, absolutely gorgeous. And I love that they're labeled. The colors are labeled on here. Let's try a shimmer. And then we've got matte. Oh, these are the colors that I love. Look at this. They're beautiful. That's just these first three colors. I'm going for it, you guys. I'm just watching. Whatever, right? Look at how pretty. Oh my gosh. Oh, I'm so excited. So excited to get this palette. These colors are gorgeous, you guys. I cannot believe it. And this is a, how much is this? $36 value for this. All right, the last four, my fingers are a little wet. Ooh, that blue is cool. Magenta. And then it's called Boxy. They're calling this one Boxy Black. Look at that. Look at that black. Holy cow, you guys. So there you have it. All swatched. This is the blush, but there it all is. Absolutely gorgeous. So if you guys are interested in this box, click on that link below, you guys. 21 bucks a month. This is a fantastic subscription service. Hope you're all doing well. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.